Yeah, take it forward a bit if you want to
No, I
brace
want to
yourself.
actually keep it here just in case I've got some crumple zone.
Do you know what I haven't done today? I haven't got my driving gloves on. Oh my. Oh well. I'm not actually having a problem with grip of the wheel.
See?
Right, DSC off. Still have a brake pedal. Let's see if I can find and catch that MG. Maybe that... Is that an Atom?
Yeah.
It's all still quite warm. Oh, let's go there. Ah, they've put that up. Someone knocked that down last time.
Right. Wow. That's good. That's good.
See, I never take a downshift in there because I just want to
Keep
get
it,
over
yeah.
here and then take the downshift.
God, that's really good, Mark.
See what I mean about using the exit?
Yeah. I was always getting lift. I was getting lift off oversteer here, where I shouldn't have lifted off.
And look, exit.
Wow.
Join the dots.
This
Make it
car-
smooth all the way. Look, see?
Whoops. Oh my word. Yep.
And we got traffic already.
This car goes. Wow.
Nice. Thank you, my friend. Ooh, right, I'm braking here. So I don't have to brake mid-turn. Are they going to let me go? No, we wait until 11.
Yeah. Wow, the power feels
How does
so
it feel from
strong.
the passenger seat? No, they're strong engines, aren't
And
they?
it's gripping as well, and it's to me it doesn't seem floaty at all. It's actually
No, and do you know what?
It's-
It doesn't to me now
No.
because I know what to expect.
exactly.
It's been quite an eye-opener, actually.
I think it handles absolutely fantastically. Obviously, you're doing a great job piloting it. Look at that. And the engine, wow, it is relentless.
Just pulls, doesn't it? Keep
It's
going.
incredible. That power, 100. You have to beat that one out, Mark.
Sorry?
You have to beat that one out. I swear.
I'm not beating anything, mate.
Jesus, this is.
I don't think I'm going to see that Atom again.
No. Crikey, this thing's fast.
And don't forget, I have no traction control.
Yeah, I know, but it's
How
just
much
gripping.
traction does it have? How much traction does this thing have?
It has all the traction it needs.
Oh, I've never had tyre howl around there before.
You're really putting a lot of strain on the tyres, but not they're really pulling. You're pulling them off. If you were to film them, the
Yeah.
walls would be moving quite significantly. It's working its tyres hard. You're going for a lap time, weren't you?
I'm just enjoying myself, Reg.
I know.
If
No
I
lap
get a
time
clear
allowed
one,
at
then
Goodwood.
I'll keep my head down and see if I can do a tidy one.
I'm really enjoying this, Mark. God, they're going slow, aren't they?
Oh my word, you can accelerate.
Please let us go.
Does he let me? No,
Oh, Oh,
it's
don't.
going.
Oh.
Here we go. Right.
I thought
looks
you
like
said
we've
we
got
can't
clear track
overtake
ahead.
here.
We've got clear track ahead.
I thought you couldn't overtake there, that's all. Shit.
What is that? I've just lost a camera. And I think it's the one. Can you look at the camera in between the seats and tell me if there's a red light flashing? No, the one on the headrest now.
Yeah, that's good.
Is there a red light flashing?
Yeah. Right, clear track. I'm not going to speak.
Okay, across the line. Now, let's try a tidy one. You don't look very comfortable, Reg.
I'm just letting you do your job, my friend. Just to say this to the viewers, Mark is really pushing it right now. He is driving the pants off this car. It may not look like it, but it certainly feels like it. And it's brilliant, it's fantastic. That sound. Oh.
See what I did on the exit there? I can't stress that enough, but I think you got it now, haven't you?
Mark, this is a quick lap time, even though we're not timing.
It was quite a tidy one. I wonder. 1.5 seconds.
Oh, a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just ease off a bit now. I think.
I hope
I
you've
thought
got
I
a
was
few
going to end up on the
cloths.
grass then.
Yeah, I thought you might need a few
Excellent,
cloths
isn't it?
for your seats.
Just take it a bit easier.
That lap you did before then was
That was
Really good.
quite tidy, I think.
very tidy, felt very fast. These grab rails are doing a fantastic job. Oh. Lovely. And there's a plane coming into
Yeah, I
there.
know, it's great. I love that.
Only Goodwood. No checkered flag, we're good.
No, we go on the next straight. So look, I could come around here without braking. I'm not going to brake now.
Yeah.
Made me turn the aircon off, Reg. I'm sweating buckets.
Sorry, mate. You get more power.
Yeah, I know.
No, it's because I'm a little bit dehydrated, that's all, and I'm too excited to drink any water. This is fantastic.
And take a breather.
I'm surprised I haven't ripped your trim off. It's really well
It's
built.
doing a good job.
Testament to BMW build quality right there, ladies and gentlemen. safety instructor as well.
And there's the checkered flag. Wow. I'm not going to bother gunning it to the line because that lap was compromised anyway, so it's not going to be timed.
I really want to do that again. I was enjoying that. That was fantastic.
Look at all the bugs.
I know.
I keep thinking it's raining.
Wow.
So it looks like. What does that say on the display?
SD error.
Really?
Yeah.
So it looks like I've got my pedal cam, that one, and my rear view. Oh well. We've got
At
some
least
audio
you've
as
got,
well.
yeah, you've got audio and you've got angles. As a passenger driven by Mark around this track, that was, yeah, exceptional. It surprised me.
These cars, performance bargain of
the century.
I was going to say decade, but
Oh,
then
okay.
I was going to follow it up with millennia. Because it's like, how is there ever going to be anything like this again?
Yeah.
And you're certainly never going to get one like this with
Nope.
one of these.
No. Not a 1 Series anyway.
Well, not a 1 Series, but you know what? Rear wheel drive? A manufacturer's going to keep doing that, powerful things. Give people a chance to swap ends and wrap themselves around a tree.
Yeah, no, we're living in the, I would say, what, the golden era of cars?
Yeah, possibly. Before they've been outlawed, but when they are so quick.
Yeah.
So quick and so capable.
I thought my 330 was fast around here, but the speeds you were hitting, the torque of this engine,
Oh, it's just, yeah.
it's constantly pulling you. It just pulling.
And you feel that, do you, in the passenger seat?
You really
'Cause
do.
You don't, you know you don't when you drive.
It's incredible, and that's stock. That is stock. What
Stock
would this?
springs, stock dank.
Yeah, everything is stock. What would that be like with a tune? I don't think it needs it, you know. But if it did have it, it would just be epic.
Okay, do I need any more power today?
No.
If I wanted to overtake that Atom, probably. But you know what? I'm fine with not being faster than an aerial Atom. Pay attention, Mark. You know, listen to what the car's telling you.
It's a little reminder, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
That was epic, man. It was a bit
We were
scary.
about to pass this guy. It
We
was
were.
scary.
I was scared. I'm not going to lie.
Let's hope that I can do something similar to John.
No, John is a bad passenger, so good luck.